Owning a business is about personal growth. You will have a $1 million business when you become a person worthy of $1 million business. You have to sow amazing seeds in order to reap an amazing harvest. But in practicality, what does this mean, Kim? What it means is you're going to go to a 5-day training class by your franchisor. But then you are going to spend the rest of your life as a business owner mastering the art of growing that business. It's the person that you grow into, the person who asks for help, the person who's patient with themselves, the person who's willing to try things and fail. As an owner, there are many things outside of you that you can't control that could impact your business. But there are a few things inside of you that if you control those things, you won't have to worry about controlling the things outside of you, the things that really you can never control anyway. Those things inside of you are your goals, your dreams, your motivation, and your mindset. Your mindset is one of the most important aspects to your success in your business. So what does that mean in terms of personal growth? What it means is you go to training to learn your business, but then you never stop learning. If your business requires you to be a manager and you don't have a ton of leadership experience, take a class, watch YouTube videos, find podcasts, read books. There's so much information available to us today. Take it upon yourself to go learn, to become an expert, to grow into that role. Controlling your mindset is the most important thing that you can own. When I say sow great seeds to reap an amazing harvest, what I'm talking about is sowing seeds of value, of being there for your employees, of delivering more than your customers expect. It's sowing seeds of helping people who can't even afford to pay you for your service sometimes. When you are planting seeds like that, you cannot help but trip over your blessings in the future. They're going to come like avalanches to you. But first, you've got to create that momentum by being the owner who is in relentless pursuit of excellence in all things in your business. When you control your mind and you are constantly growing and asking for help and serving other people and becoming a leader in your community, then you will be worthy of that $1 million business. Then and only then will you have the business of your dreams. And all of that is, of course, predicated that you have a dream, that you have a vision for your life as a business owner, that you are using this business not as the end-all be-all, but the vehicle that's driving your life to some new place, this place of influence, this place of creating jobs in your local community, this place of building a legacy for your children and your family. This place where when you go to bed at night, you rest peacefully knowing that you've served other people, that what you do makes a difference in the world, that who you are becoming is the person that you know you were always born to be. If you want to have a business that is uniquely yours, that you can always feel proud of, where you can reap those financial blessings, as well as all of the other tangible blessings of being a business owner, this is how you do it.